Hey family, it is class time. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a mealworm form. It's inexpensive, it's easy, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. You're probably wondering, why do I need mealworms? If you have any type of poultry that you're raising and you buy dried mealworms, I guarantee you need to raise your own, because you are spending a fortune on something that is like extremely easy to do yourself. All right, I'm gonna put everything you need down in the description box, and let's get started. This is just showing you the setup of what I did, the top and the bottom. The top is more for storage and the bottom is where the worms will be. You'll need a Sterlite 27 quart storage box and a Sterlite 15 quart storage box. Also, you need a small shoe box. I use 2 of them to put my beetles and my larvae in. The one I'm doing today is a little smaller. It's the 20 quart box and a 12 quart box, and you can use like little Tupperware for your beetles. The oats I use are quick oats, and it's the 42 ounce. Online for PetSmart, the 50 count of mealworms is $3.19, but they also had them in the store for $11.49 for a 500 count, and that's a better deal. Hey family and friends, today I'm gonna show y'all how I set up my mealworm form, and it's really easy. All you need is 2 storage bins. One needs to be shorter than the other. Let me show y'all. So I have a 20 quart Sterlite storage bin and a 12 quart. So basically what you want to do, you want to make sure that the smaller one can sit inside the larger one like that, and you still have a good amount of space in the bottom. Okay, now what we're gonna do is mark where we're gonna put our air holes, and you pretty much just want to put them like right where the bottom of the top bin starts. And I'm gonna be using a drill for this part, but you can also use like a knife or a box cutter or something. But just make sure you're really careful, and then try not to apply too much pressure when making your holes, because the box will crack. So just keep that in mind when you're putting the holes in your bin. Alright y'all, after you put your holes in your bin, you want to go ahead and get your oats. You can use the quick oats, the old-fashioned oats, and the rolled oats. What you want to do is get a bowl and put them in the microwave for 2 minutes, and this will kill any little insect eggs or anything that might be in there that you can't see. So go ahead and do that however many times you need to, and then dump them in your bin. Alright, after you take your oats out the microwave, go ahead and dump them. Before you put your mealworms in, please put your bin somewhere for about an hour or two and let the oats that you just microwave cool all the way down. Do not put your mealworms in until your oats are cool. On here I have the 500 count mealworms simply because it was a better deal. And actually, like with my larger bin that I made, I only put 200 mealworms in that bin. So this is like more mealworms in a smaller container. So I'm pretty sure that'll be even better. So go ahead and dump your mealworms in your bin after the oats cool, and place your bin somewhere like in a closet or something, or just anywhere in a space. It don't even matter. After you put your mealworms up, it's pretty much easy selling after that. You just want to check on them maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. Every now and then throw an apple slice in, and then separate your beetles from the mealworms, and you good to go. And you can start feeding your chickens. Why pay $33 plus tax every time you want mealworms when you can just form your own?